So today I'm gonna be going through everything I got from the Enchant bag from Canyon Ranch. It's a bunch of like semi high-end skincare, and I think I need to move the camera closer. So first we have from Goop Microderm Instant Glow Body Polish. Slay. Okay, next, and I'm really excited about these. I have no idea how to pronounce this brand name, but these are like full-size bottles of their cream and serum, and I think they go for like $200 each. Like, are you kidding? They're so cute. The cream, I'm not gonna lie, smells a little weird, but I'll try anything. All of my skincare right now is like Korean skincare and like Japanese skincare, so I'm excited to try some, where is this? American made skincare. Okay, next we have from Dr. Babor Lifting RX Collagen Cream and Power Serum Ampules, and I am so excited to try this. I'm kind of scared though, because it's like an actual ampule. Like, hello, I don't know how to open this. I've seen like people in France use these, but I've never actually seen them in person before. One minute. Okay, I'm stupid and I turned the washing machine on before I filmed this video, so I'm sorry, deal with it. I'm not opening this because I'm not gonna use it and I'm gonna give it to my dad's girlfriend. Oh, okay, next. I have also no idea how to pronounce this brand name. No, I'm not gonna try. It's like this lotion, but it's like a block. Where's the thing? Daily Stone Mini with rose, frankincense, and neroli. I already used it, but it's so cute, and it comes in this thing, and it's like a stone, but it's like just like body oils, and the ingredients are really nice. It's like just oils. Cacao seed butter, almond oil. Nice. Okay, next, two masks that I'm really excited for. This one is from 111 Skin, and it's a 5-pack, and I think it goes for $135 for 5 face masks. Okay. And then the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. This is the one that if you put it on overnight, it like goes clear on your face. So I'm excited to try this. This is what they look like. It's supposed to, what does it say? Mimic the refreshing effects of cryotherapy on the skin. Ooh. Okay, next up, Cosmetic CBD Relief Cream. The packaging is so cute. Oh my god, so cute. Nice. Okay. Next, Revital. It's lavender oil and lavender oil mist. So like this one's a roller and this one's a mist. Ooh. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like tea. If my hair looks actually insane, it's because I took a bath last night and yeah, I'm so sorry. Next, from Biologique Recherche, Paris. Okay. Brightening and Radiance Mask. Exfoliating and Brightening Lotion. Can you see that? Brightening Dark Spot Correcting Face Cream. French. Okay, next we have Skin Authority Under Eye Rescue. They're like eye patches. Oh god, that's so loud. I'm so sorry. I've seen these in stores before and I'm pretty sure like this is one use. I think it's like $14. So, you know. And then lastly, Supergoop Play sunscreen with sunflower extract. I have their unseen sunscreen and it's pretty nice, but I prefer like Japanese, Korean sunscreens. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. The next video is probably going to be a San Diego vlog, just a short one, so subscribe.